Welcome to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we will discuss multiple choice questions of the subject Environment and Energy on the topic Alternate Sources. First question: Green technology is use of science and technology to create products that are option A harmful, option B environmentally safe, option C toxic, option D none of these. And the correct answer is environmentally safe. Question number second. Any substance that can undergo dash can be used as a fuel at the anode of fuel cell. Option A chemical oxidation, option B reduction, option C both oxidation and reduction, option D none of these. And the correct answer is chemical oxidation. Question number third. Out of the following, dash can be used as a moderator only in a nuclear power plant. Option A sodium metal, option B helium gas, option C light water, option D graphite. And the correct answer is graphite. Question number 4. Identify the Bredier reaction from the following reactions. And the correct answer is option B. Thorium 232 90 plus 1 neutron gives uranium 233 92. Question number 5. Which of the following is not disadvantage of hydroelectric power generation? Option A. It causes damage to ecosystem and loss of land as large area are submerged. Option B. It causes intermittent fluctuation in downstream. Option D. It has low carbon dioxide emission. Option D. Dam failure due to varied reason cause disaster. And the correct answer is option C. It has low carbon dioxide emission. Question number 6. Biomass is an organic matter obtained from dash. Option A plants, option B waste, option C animals, and option D all of these. And the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 7. Gasification process is used to convert dash to the biofuel. Option A dry biomass, option B wood, option C wet biomass, option D none of these. And the correct answer is wet biomass. Question number 8. Biogas is obtained by dash of biomass. Option A carbonization, option B fermentation, option C liquefaction, option D evaporation. And the correct answer is fermentation. Question number 9. Biofuels have dash energy content that corresponding biomass. Option A lower, option B equal, option C higher, option D variable. And our answer is higher. Question number 10. The reaction taking place during photocatalytic decomposition of water is an example of dash. Option A redox reaction, option B neutralization reaction, option C displacement reaction, option D purification reaction. And the correct answer is redox reaction. Question number 11. AGR stands for option A gas cooled reactor, option B advanced gas cooled reactor, option C advanced graphite moderator reactor, option D advanced gas reactor. And the correct answer is advanced gas cooled reactor. Question number 12. In a fuel cell, electrodes, option A provides a site of reaction to take place, option B to separate bulk gas phase of electrolyte, option C to conduct ion away from or into the three phase, option D all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 13. The principal industrial ecology was defined by option A Elton, option B Stanley, option C Steeps, option C Anastas. And the correct answer is Steeps. Question number 14. Which of the following is not an advantage of green computing? Option A reduced energy consumption, option B increased GHG emission and fossil fuel usage, option C cost effectiveness due to less cooling requirement, option D effective use of natural resources. And the correct answer is increased GHG emission and fossil fuel usage. Question number 15. Green computing dash e-waste generation. Option A reduces, option B enhances, option C varied effect on, option D is not related to. And the correct answer is reduces. Question number 16. In phosphoric acid fuel cell, H3PO4 is dash. Option A fuel, option B electrolyte, option C oxidant, option D bioproduct. And the correct answer is electrolyte. Question number 17. The energy of thermal neutrons have energy of dash. Option A 0.25 electrovolt, option B 0.0025 electrovolt, option C 0.025 electrovolt, option D 2.5 electrovolt, and the correct answer is 0.025 electrovolt. Question number 18. Hydric electric vehicles are powered by option A electric motor, option B an internal combustion engine and electric motor, option C an internal combustion engine, option D none of these. And correct answer is option B an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. Question number 19. The process of splitting water molecules in the presence of light energy is called as option A electrolysis, option B photolysis, option C radiolysis, option D thermolysis, and the correct answer is option B photolysis. Question number 20. In hydroelectricity power dash, option A kinetic energy is transferred to potential, option B potential energy is transferred to kinetic, option C solar energy is transferred to wind energy, option D wind energy is transferred to solar energy, and the correct answer is option B potential energy is transferred to kinetic energy. Thanks for watching this video. If you get something from this video, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel.